Let's do this. Let's see how fast we can clean it. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Oh, we even have to get the tires? Just... There we go. Gotta get the mirror. Ding. Okay, what's next? There we go. Let's go back around the front. Jessica's moving service. Is that what it's called? I didn't read the side of the box truck yet. Oh, Jessica's Antiques and Collectibles. Okay. Jessica, you've got a nice little van here. Harper, just having a quick nose around your new crib. It's even bigger than I remember. Excited to see what you're going to fill it with. I am too. I don't know what I'm going to fill it with yet. Oh, so satisfying. Ding. Hey, shut up out there. I don't want to hear you, wind. Much better. I said stop. Hey, look, our cats are out here. Hi, buddy. You know, I knew in the first game... Oh, he's right there. We found the gnome. In the first game, these guys were everywhere. You had to find them. Like, just like now, you had to find him. Let's set him... right here. He's our new friend. We collected a gnome.